iOS 18 is a major update released by Apple this year, including a new look control center upgrade and more. Many people are looking forward to experiencing the latest iOS 18. Next, I will show you how to install iOS 18 beta for free. Before upgrading, you need to be aware that iOS 18 beta is not stable. It is very necessary to back up your iPhone data before upgrading. Make sure that your iPhone supports iOS 18. Here are the models that support iOS 18. First of all, go to developer.apple.com in Safari. Find account in the sidebar. Sign in with your Apple ID. Now go back to General in Settings and click on Software Update. Software Update. If you don't find iOS 18 Developer Beta, click on Beta Update and select iOS 18 Developer Beta. Now you can upgrade iOS 18 Beta. Enjoy the new features of iOS 18 and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.